This video is powered by GLCPCB.com. GLCPCB is the leader in manufacturing prototype PCBs. Simply upload your Gerber file at GLCPCB.com to order high quality PCBs. They are offering very good price like $2 for 10 PCBs. So kindly consider GLCPCB.com for your future PCB needs. Let's see how to add GRBL firmware in Arduino. So you can download GRBL from the link given below in the description. Unzip the file and copy this MIGRBL folder and open your documents. Select Arduino folder, libraries, and paste MIGRBL folder over here. Okay, so firmware is added. Now you can load this firmware to Arduino, selecting your port and board correctly. Okay, you can find it from example and MIGRBL GRBL upload. Okay, simply you will compile and upload it. So GRBL is uploaded. Now we are going to add the MI Inkscape extension. So you have to copy this MI Inkscape file and paste it in the directory of Inkscape. Find the share folder, extension folder, and paste over here. Also you need to copy the individual file in the extension folder. Okay, done. Continue. It's done. Our extension is added in Inkscape. You can see over here MI GRBL servo Z servo extension.